Hello viewers, let's see adjust the appearance and performance of window with regard to the fonts. We will make the font more visible in three styles. You will see all three one by one and then at once for your better selection and judgment, and we will also increase the size of Windows font for more visibility and clarity, either for screen recording or reading. On screen please. Step first, so let's go and click on the window and then type and search adjust the appearance and performance of window. So this appear, just select it or click it, and now let's go tick mark smooth edges of screen fonts, apply, and now go to the top and tick mark let window choose what's best for my computer. Tick mark also, apply, and OK. Now you will get the best font which is more readable. So let's refresh or restart your PC, and now let's go select the other two options or check it. Go and simply select adjust for best appearance. Now let's check it, apply, OK, and we will also select the third option. You will see all these three one by one as well as at once. Same procedure applies to all these three. So let's apply and OK, refresh or restart your PC, and let's see all these three one by one. This was the first one or the first option, which is more visible. This is the second option, which is little lesser than that, and the last one, it's almost invisible. Now you are watching all three. Option one is the best. Now let's go for step 2 to increase the font size. Note the Windows font because it applies to all font and it applies to almost all windows. So simply go and once again click the Windows sign, and after that go to settings, and in setting we will simply go to accessibility, and now a lever will appear. We will just move that towards right to increase the font, and now text size. So just click it and you will shortly see a smaller A and a larger A. So move this lever towards the other direction and you can see the size of the font as well as it's more readable. So after selecting, click apply, and now see the font. It's clearly visible and readable. So through this way, you can improve the readability and visibility of your font of your windows. It applies to almost all windows. The most easy method. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.